Guru.
Namaste Divya. Thank you.
Yes.
Good, you got my bottle. Oh, it's so hot. So in the Varnam, we just finished the Charana Swar. Now we do the Charanam. Or in now when we say Charana Swara, you can say
Charana
Charana Sahitya or a Charana. Again, this is a dialogue is between
Sakhi and Naika. Naika and Sakhi.
Naika is talking to
Sakhi.
Sakhi. So, as you saw in the first one, different ways she is asking the friend to go and bring me. And then Sakhi ye, so oh my dear friend, then beautiful friend, then the one with the fish eye and all that. So that phase is done. Now she goes further that in the Chittaswar, Nagarigamigavu Sarasavadaya. So, and get my Swami here for the this thing. So now she has to go further. And there are two ways one can look at this new. Pangana Mayile Adiga Mayala Madi Mayangi Puvali Manmadane Kotola. So the Sakhi says that arrows of Kamadeva are tormenting me. I'm much in love.
Love.
And my heart is kind of churning and it's intoxicated with the love. Oh beautiful friend. But who now is the beautiful friend? The one who is so beautiful is the peacock. Because peacock is very beautiful. This thing. But sometimes you may question that peacock is a man. He. Or then otherwise it is peahen. But peahen is not so beautiful.
Yeah.
So here it is peacock. And then peacock is also very proudly. So why has the Naika selected, or why is the writer-composer selected peacock to be equated to the Sakhi? Or is she telling directly to the Nayak that oh beautiful? But no, it is telling to Sakhi that because Nayak is not there. So my heart is tormented, I am tormented. So this is beautiful, but who? The peacock like Sakhi. So she is describing to the peacock. Now I am thinking that maybe Sakhi is there, she is told him go quickly, but she is also telling to this proud peacock that how my heart is troubled. So 1, 2, 3, all that, but we are looking at, we are showing peacock. We are not showing Sakhi, beautiful Sakhi. We are showing Pangana Mahile, the one who has the feathers opened up and is dancing. Okay. So, Pangana Mahile Adigamaya La Manimayangi Uvalima Madanito Todarapa Gana Mayi Pangana Mayi Le Adigamaya, Atigamaya, La Madimayangi, Uvalima, Madanito, Todarapa. So, Pa, peacock. Pa, Gana. Or you want to show beautiful? You want to show beautiful first? So, we start with Pa, Gana, Mai, Le. The peacock is very famous for the cake. Le. Huh? So, first you do, let's have a pose of peacock. Pa, so pa, and take the leg up and back, like we will do for this thing. And then from there, tate take the ditya. Pa, ga, take your hands openly. As such, your hands are small. And you do like this, then Pa. It's not clapping, it's Pa. Pa, ga, mai, le, slide. Slide and up, and slide and up. And then walk. Adiga Maya Last Madi Mayangi Vali Manmadane Todara. It is, I didn't explain to you the whole meaning. So, oh beautiful Panganamaile, Adiga, much, my heart, Adiga Maila, much love. Mayala, Madiga, love. Madi Mayanga, and that is giving me torments. It's tormenting me. This too, so much of love that I have is really tormenting me. And how? The flowery arrows of Madana, Kamadeva, are hurting me. Because of the love. You know, now I don't have to tell you the 5 arrows and this. All these stories are known. You have to get into the mood of the song. Gestures and in Abhinay item, normally or in Abhinay, as little gestures are possible that people try. But then Shabda Artha has to be also shown. So between the both, we have to tang, too many gestures, then you can't bring the expression. So you have to go between the two. Let's try 2, 3, 4. Panga, can you jump and go big round? Wait. Panga, anamayi. Panga, anamayile. Continue, not to stop. 2, 3, 4. Panga, continue and bring it here. Open your hands, you're restricting. Tick, 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 like that. 2, 3, 4. Panga, anamayile, adiga mayala, madimayangi. Get up. Alida, Valiman, come. Madani to torara to torara. Do it twice. Madan to todara adiga mayala madimayangi uvalima madan to todara anamayi le raining.
তাড়াতাড়ি দেখো
2, 3, 4. Anamayi le adiga mayala adiga mayala madimayangi what? Puvali madani to todara madani to todara 2, 3, 4. Mayile adiga mayala madimayangi uvalima madani to todara. One, 2, 3. You want to go diagonal, you can go diagonal. 2, 3, 4. Let's start back and then front. Let's see how does it look. Diagonal, back. Turn your back. No, back, then back to me. Turn around and go back. Back, center. Turn around from this side. Why are you turning that side? Center, diagonal. Come forward, go back. Come like that, go back like that. Turn around and go back. Start back and shoot. Go, now turn around. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is wrong. Turn frontal. Can you do it? No. Let it be. Straight. Straight. Mayala madimayangi uvalima adane to todara kana mayile ಮಹಿಮಯಂಗಿ ಹೂವಾಳಿಮ ಮದನೆ ತೋಡರ 30 minutes 2 3 first 2 3 4 must do that circle 2
तक्का दिम्मी नहीं जाता इधर Then start the second one with Usi. And Tate Tesha, go back. Mahi. Tate Tesha, Tate Tesha, Tate Tesha, Tate Tesha, then Mahi. Takatin 1, 2, Kuwali man madane to, Kodara pa, Usi. Madane to, Kodara pa. अधिक मयला मधिमयंगी वाली मन मदन तो वाली मन मदन तो 2 C's. So last takita will come. Tai takka dimmi takka dimmi takka dimmi takka dimmi takka dim takka dimmi takka dimmi takka dimmi takka dimmi ka dimmi takka dimmi tai tai and then takita. So takita or tai then takita. Tai means tai did it. Pa mahile adiga mayala madimayangi kuwali man madani to todara kuwali Tai is going first. So instead of last takka dimmi, it will be takita. Right? Then you start who उसी ले लो तो तक्का दिमी हो जाएगा, तक्का सीधा ही आ जाएगा. हाँ ठीक है. 1 2 3 4 महिरे आदिगा मयला आदिमायंगी बुवा लिमन मदन तो तोड़ना. See, tai ta tai tai tat dit tai tai tat ta tai tai tat dit tai tai tat takka dimmi 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 takka kitta takna. Why did you start that kitta? तक्कीटा कहाँ?
उसी में आ जाएगा ना. You take takka di here and me in the who. So takita Pu taka di me is pu.
Me is who?
Me is pu.
Who?
Vali madane to todara. Vali madane to todara. Vali madane to todara. So in the second Tattamiti, just start with Lucy. So start with first.
First.
Second.
Second.
There would be two aradhis, one for the swara, one for the sahitya. Okay, so let's do the swara, I mean sahitya and Tattamiti together. Remember. Ganganamayi le adhigamaya la Adimayangi Kuvarima Madanito Todarapa Gana Aile Adigamaya La Madimayangi Kuvarima Madanito Todarapa. Both twice.
Twice and takkat.
Madanito Todarapa Ganamayi Adigamaya La Madimayangi Kuvalima Madanito Todarapa Ganamayi Adigamaya Madanito Todarapa Ganamayi Adigamaya Madimayangi Kuvalima Madanito Todarapa
Takkat.
2, 3, 4. Ganamayi
madani to kodara panga mayile adiga mayala madi mayangi uwa hariman madani to kodara panga mayile. That time it is still a little shaky.
Yes.
Then I'm thinking maybe the second whole thing, first we do in Takatimi and second we do in Takita. How's that?
Hold it.
One usi, one sama, one usi. Huwa imanito kodara.
I will try this one. This is
Okay.
good.
Okay, try. One,
I will try.
1, 2, 3, 4. One second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Remember this? Want to sing the line once? Please sing.
Angana maile adigamayala madi mayangi kovadi madanito
Swar.
pa pa ma ga ga ma pa ma ma ga ri ga ma ga ga ri sa ni sa sa ri sa ga ri ga ma pa.
So remember this much? Next one. Nada, gotakati.
Namaste.
No.
Thank you.
Thank you.